everyone. Today I will explain you similar figures. Similar figures is when we have a similar shape, or in math is when we have the corresponding sides are similar and the ratios of them are equal. Or it say the 10 it's corresponding with the 2. This side, which is y, it's corresponding with the side which is 6 units. As you can see here, we have 10, it's corresponding with 2, and y, it's corresponding with 6. So to write this ratio, we are going to write, for example, we are going to compare the 10 with the 2. So 10 over 2, we're going to write as a ratio. Then y over 6. Y over 6. Remember, if you start with this figure, you're going to start with this variable in the other side. Then we use the cross product. The cross product is to multiply 10 times 6 and 2 times y. So we have 10 times 6 equals to 2 times y, which is 60 and 2y. Then we divide by 2 both sides and we are going to get 30. So the value for y to make through this ratio or to this similarity it's going to be 30. The value for y is equals to 30. Now, this is a real-world application. A telephone booth has an 8-feet tall castle shadow that is 4 feet long. Find the height of a lamp ornament that casts a 2-feet shadow. Here we have the telephone and we already know that it's 8 feet as tall. So then the shadow of this one, we have 4 feet long, this one. And we can do the line to create a triangle. Then we have the ornament, and in the ornament we don't know what is the height, so this one we are going to represent with a variable h. But we already know that the shadow of this one is 2 feet, like this. Then we are going to use similarity to represent this one. Remember, the corresponding 8 is with h, so we are going to write h over 8 because I'm gonna use first this one, h over 8. Then remember, I need to start with 2 over 4. If you choose first this one, you're gonna write 8 over h and 4 over 2, but in this case I choose first this one, 8 over 8 and 2 over 4. Then we use cross product and we're gonna have 4 times h and 8 times 2. Then we're gonna have 4 over 4, which is 1, and 16 over 4, which is 4. So we can say that the height of lamp ornament is 4 feet, or it's this measurement. Remember, you can start from this one or from this one. Now the last one, we have this similar figure, these two rectangles, and we have this corresponding side, it's with 2 here, and the 20 is corresponding with 5. So to write the similarity or to write the ratio or proportion, we are going to write like that: y over 2, because we compare the y with the 2, and 20 with 5. Then cross product, and we're gonna have 5 times y, which is 5y, 2 times 20, which is 20 times 2 or 2 times 20. Then 20 times 2 it's 40, we divide by 5 both sides to keep the equality or the balance, and finally we're gonna have, which is 8. Remember, the 8 is the missing value, or it's this part. And what means that? That h is corresponding with 2 if you write the ratios. If you divide 8 divided by 2, give us 4, and 20 divided by 5 give us